ever fight with someone and think, if I could just end this, I'd win? War is basically that, but with missiles, drones, and billions of dollars instead of trash talk. Right now, the US and Iran are in a serious standoff, and everyone's asking who will win. Spoiler, it's not simple. Nobody really wins. Here's the setup. The US and Israel hit Iran hard, taking out major targets, including Iran's supreme leader. Iran fired back with missiles and drones, hitting US bases and regional targets. This isn't a sideshow conflict. This is full-blown regional war, and global oil, shipping, and markets are watching like hawks. Why is this war tricky? Geography first. Iran controls the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow waterway that funnels about 20% of the world's oil. Block it, and oil prices spike, deliveries slow, and suddenly your gas pump and Amazon Prime feel it. Second, this isn't USA versus Iran like a video game. Iran fights asymmetrically, cheap drones, missiles, and proxies, while the US has air dominance. Tech is real, but it doesn't magically win wars. Military breakdown? The US has insane tech, carriers, drones, satellites, money to keep supply lines moving. Iran has lots of missiles and drones, mountains and cities that make invasions a nightmare, plus regional allies. In a short air campaign, the US might dominate headlines, but Iran's cheap drones force expensive US defenses to burn money. Imagine using a $50 lawnmower to make a Ferrari burn gas. That's cost math in war. US can win battles, but winning a war outright? Not so fast. Even if one side looks like it's winning, losses stack up for everyone. The global economy takes a punch. Oil spikes, supply chains wobble, inflation creeps up. Civilians in Iran, Israel, and nearby countries are hurt. Refugees, fear, rising prices, that's real damage. And yes, the US economy feels it too. Markets hate uncertainty. This could drag on. Iran isn't collapsing. They can still hit back. Blocking the Strait of Hormuz affects more than Iran. It disrupts the region. A US ground invasion? Logistically insane, super costly, and slow. There's no magic win button. History shows these conflicts simmer for years, with short bursts of violence and uneasy ceasefires. So, who really wins? Tactical points go to the US for destroying targets. Iran earns points for resilience. Strategically, both sides lose. Civilians pay the highest price. Regional instability skyrockets. Real winners in war are myths. Surviving with as little damage as possible is the closest thing to victory. Takeaways? War is messy. Headlines don't tell the full story. Tech doesn't guarantee victory, and even if it's far away, you feel it through gas prices and market chaos. If you understood it even half of that, you're already ahead of most news cycles. And hey, hit that like button and subscribe before your energy bills remind you that wars cost everyone. Yes, even you.